Answering interview questions effectively using the STAR technique. Using the STAR technique is a quick, easy, and effective way to make sure you're covering all the relevant bits of information that an employer wants to know. Once you understand the STAR technique, make sure you practice your answers using Interview 360 via the Careers Hub. STAR stands for Situation, Task, Action, and Result. We're going to break down each section and what you need to say. Situation. This is where you're going to set the scene to the employer. Describe the context within which you performed a job or faced a challenge at work. For example, perhaps you were working on a group project. Maybe you had a conflict with a co-worker. And remember, you can draw on experience from work, any academia, volunteering you might have done, or any other related event or any extracurricular. But remember, it's really important to be as specific as possible to help set the scene for an employer. Task. Now, you need to describe the responsibility you had in that situation or the challenge that you faced. Perhaps you were working on a group project and you had a tight deadline. Maybe you're resolving a conflict with a co-worker, or you had to hit a sales target. Action. Now, you really need to think about what you did in this situation and describe how you completed the task or endeavoured to meet that challenge. Focus on what you did rather than what your co-worker, your manager, your teammate did. And top tip, instead of saying we, say I. Result. Finally, you need to explain the outcomes or results of your actions generated by your input in that task. It's really helpful to emphasize what you accomplished, what you learned, and remember, try and focus on positive examples that show the impact you can have in a job or on a project. It's important to note that out of the S, T, A, and R, your answer should be most heavily weighted in your actions and the outcomes. So focus on the A and R, but remember S, T, A, R. And once you start speaking in this structured manner, you'll be feeling really confident, ready to tackle your interview.